Hey, parents, ever realize that your 5-year-old is always right? Well, here's an example of that. So today in our lesson, I was purposely spelling a word wrong. I think Desiree was definitely on to me. So we wanted to write the word haunted. So I started off, huh, oh, and she said, wait a minute, you missed something. And you got the wrong sound, wrong spelling for the sound. So I had to write it again. Huh, or ch. And this time, Trick pointed out that I'm missing a letter. So I had to write it again. And for some reason, this was hilarious. So, huh, oh, mmm. So we got that part right. And then Desiree said, no, we want to write haunted. So I wrote it again. Huh, oh, mm, d hang on, you forgot the E. So I had to write it one more time. Uh, oh, mm, did. Because haunted has an E and a D. But this was so much fun. We were laughing and enjoying ourselves today. So after we wrote haunted, Desiree wanted me to write house. So I gave it a go. Huh, ow. And she said, no, that ow is wrong. And that's the tricky sound. So we need to write it House. And I said, oh, why is there an E at the end? And she said, because the E is magic and doesn't make any sound. So House, house. And then Trick pointed out that there's a tricky sound in the middle, and the E is silent. So there you have it, a couple of activities that you can do with your child. They absolutely love it when you get it wrong so that they can help you correct it. And remember, it's okay to make mistakes. That's how we learn. That's it for me.